Okay. Hey peeps. Today we gonna be playing some Wolf Online. I don't know if you guys know what this is, but too bad because oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry. That was like the lamest introduction ever. I'm sorry. Please can we be friends? So anyway, I'm playing some Wolf Online, and just so you guys know that each time you see this name in particular, you know I'm filming a video, okay? You know I'm filming. They see me filming. They hate it. Patrol and they take it. Patrol and they can just say it. I don't know. Censor that, please. I'm sorry. People don't know I'm recording yet. FYI, I'm recording. Happy face! I don't know if that's a happy face. Oh my god, they're so lonely. They don't know I'm recording. They don't know I'm recording. They don't know. They don't know. They don't know. Little do they know. Alright, now I need to kill some people. I need to kill some people to get some points. I'm sorry if that sounded evil. Hi. Kill it! Kill it with fire! Burn it with fire! Burn it with fire! Burn it with fire! Burn it with fire! And I need to eat this. Let me eat it! Oh, I want to eat it. Let me eat it. Gosh dang, elephant. Why you gotta ruin everything? Either way, burn it with fire! Burn it! Burn it! Burn it with fire! Me, am I interrupting your video?
Yes, you are!
Oh, too bad no one gives a crap. Anyway, burn it with fire! Burn it! Burn it with fire! Burn it with fire! Burn it! Burn it! Burn it with fire! Ow! I don't think people got that I was recording. No one knows. They don't.
Okay, I made a video.
Oh, that's so dramatic. I missed you. Oh god, it's going wild! Burn it with fire! Burn it with fire! Burn it with fire!
Recording?
Yeah, heck yeah, I'm recording.
How are you recording?
Wait, am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Burn it with fire! Burn it with fire! Burn it. Alright, that'll be it for today, guys. I'll make some more videos. Yeah. You know what, let's make this a minute longer. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm me and Savage. Oh, see. Ah, shoot! No! They don't know that my name's Warrior.
Okay, so now that I made a video, Matt, how do you record while you play a game?
It's easy. Get a screen recorder. Duh.
What's a screen recorder?
Figure it out. Seriously. Go to the App Store and download a freaking screen recorder. Search screen recorder.
Screen recorder?
Yes. Well, that will be it for the day, guys. I'll be recording some more videos. Please don't go too hard on me. This is only my first video. Please, please, please don't burn me with fire.
AC screen recorder?
Yes!
Okay.
Please, please, please don't burn me with fire. You know you gotta love this face. Please. Please. Don't burn me with fire. I beg you. I beg you. Okay, we going now. I'll see you later.